This short video is a presentation about the new innovative Trinity Phones app. Trinity Phones Application Investor Presentation. Trinity is a mobile phone app or application which makes your smartphone even smarter. Trinity creates the functionality of multiple telephone numbers on a single mobile phone without the use of VoIP or without the use of a Wi-Fi connection. The Trinity Phone app is a disruptive new technology which has the potential of being a game changer in the mobile phone industry. The app circumvents the dominance of the mobile phone carriers. Our app and your investment or reseller partnership with Trinity allows you to enter the lucrative mobile telecommunication industry without millions of dollars of investment in infrastructure. Trinity can now compete for lucrative monthly subscribers in both Canada and the United States. There's no inventory for resellers to handle since our service is a virtual telecommunication service. Just download our app on your iPhone from the App Store or on your Android or BlackBerry device on Google Play. Our app uses your voice network connection to make and receive calls to your multiple telephone numbers without the use of expensive data connections which your phone carrier loves to charge you. If you're in range of your mobile phone cellular tower network, our Trinity telephone numbers will be in range and operational as well. Imagine being able to have your business telephone number, your home telephone number, your weekend property or cottage telephone number, and multiple telephone numbers on your single mobile phone. Our app is even more innovative. Multiple family members or employees can utilize one Trinity telephone number. Inbound calls can ring either simultaneously or sequentially on 2, 3, or more family members or employees' cell phones. Our system can handle up to 25 employees receiving calls on a single Trinity telephone number simultaneously or sequentially, ringing or in a structured order call center, and all 25 employees can make outbound calls at the same time and display your unique Trinity telephone number in call display and number display. So work-at-home opportunities for employees are just one benefit of having the Trinity app. Here is the business problem faced by our customers. According to a Wall Street Journal report, 15% to 20% of mobile phone users carry 2 or more phones. They do this to separate their business versus personal telephone numbers and to remain confidential, discreet, or private. 1 out of every 3 workers in the United States either freelances, has a part-time job, or runs a home-based company in addition to the regular daytime job. In addition, companies are struggling with new demands from employees and employers concerning BYOD. Bring your own device. BYOD is when an employee is subsidized or otherwise compensated by their employer to utilize their own mobile phone for business use. It's very similar of employers compensating employees for use of their automobile for business use. Our solution is wonderfully innovative. Instead of carrying multiple mobile phones, why not make your one mobile phone function with multiple telephone numbers instead? And that's exactly what our app developers and telecommunication engineers programmed. Just imagine. One phone with multiple numbers is an app download, not a hardware solution. No hardware upgrade is required. No multiple SIM cards either. It's not VoIP, so there's no expensive data or Wi-Fi required. And isn't that why you use a mobile phone to be truly mobile? Being chained to a Starbucks coffee shop to get free Wi-Fi is not really being mobile, is it? Our solution's underlying magic is based on the following. It's our proprietary app, and its intellectual property is not carrier dependent. Our coding and processes were developed in 4 separate silos. Our back-end systems do all the data capture and compilation of inbound text messages and inbound voicemail messages. Permission is not required from your mobile carrier. Your mobile phone rings simultaneous or sequentially on yours and another family member mobile phone, up to 25 different mobile phones. Our business model is primarily focused on the business market. It's a subscription revenue model. Our margins are huge. In fact, our cost is the same if we provision our Trinity number on just one mobile phone user or on 25 mobile users. In addition, we engineered our app to be easily rebranded so we can accommodate private label and white label arrangements with resellers, and we have lots of added value bells and whistles that can be used to customize the individual private label brands we create. So our rebranding and licensing ability lets us solicit resellers such as the second-tier competitive rural mobile carriers in the United States. Also, big box office suppliers like Staples and Vistaprint could also be solicited. Regarding the competition, there are only a few competitors. When the large telco carriers, when they launch their own versions of multiple telephone numbers, will grow market awareness and make an even better pie for Trinity to acquire subscribers from. Most of the smaller niche players are focused on consumers only and are not targeting the business segments that we predict will be most lucrative. But competitors are more interested in selling their other virtual PBX services, and they are VoIP technology based with poor voice quality. What is the attraction for investors in Trinity? Trinity app meets these requirements. 1. Large addressable market. 2. Low capital intensity. 3. Game-changing technology with strong IP intellectual property. 4. Strong scalability. 5. Experienced management team. 6. Attractive early exit opportunities. Our team. Trinity founders have extensive experience in B2B and B2C in the telecom industry, including AT&T, Sprint, Rogers, Telehop, and Bell. Founders have experience in the key areas required to make this a successful enterprise, including experience in DRTV, direct response TV, database analysis, customer promotion creation, pricing in the telecommunication industry. Our founders have an MBA and are mature business professionals. Our app has created a better iPhone than Apple and Steve Jobs. Seriously, your current iPhone only has one distinct telephone number associated with it. Our Trinity app creates the functionality of multiple telephone numbers on a single mobile phone.